I'm Henry, Chief Technology Officer at Rapid Repair Network, and we're always looking at ways that we can reduce cycle time. And one of the ways that we can do that is getting better image capture right at the start of the repair journey, and I'm going to talk you through what that looks like today. On paper, asking customers to get photos of their vehicle sounds like the easy part, but in reality, that's often where the delays begin. Often images can be too close, too far away, blurry, or just not even the right part of the damage at all, and that means that we've got delays before the repair process has even begun. So that's why we designed Rapid Capture. This app guides our customers step by step through the images that we need to make sure we get the right images first time. For our work providers, this means fewer touch points, less administration, and ultimately a quicker repair. Better information at the beginning allows repairs to move much quicker throughout the journey.